This is the Ultra 7 Pro in always-on mode. Twist of the wrist will bring it up into a beautiful AMOLED screen-designed watch face. You got lots of different controls in here, from Bluetooth to music to sound to brightness. Several different pages of it. It's waterproof. You can shake the water out of it. NFC, GPS. It's a really, really beefed up watch. You got floating island, a built-in music player, nice and loud. And you can install music directly on the watch. You can also play it through your earbuds without taking your phone with you. If that wasn't enough, hey, Michael.
I'm here.
You have your own built-in assistant as well. Now, this is different than the Google Assistant or Siri. It's just here to do things like, say, open stopwatch or your calculator or whatever you'd like. And when it hears the right phrases and keywords, it'll take you right there. Do it for you. Nice, huh? You have a rotating crown that you can change to whatever you want. I have it set for flashlight. You have all kinds of apps in here, workout activities, ECG. They claim it's not really. Uh-oh, Michael's still talking to me.
Here.
Yeah, I know you're here. I'm sorry, Michael. We're busy right now. Go away. Come on. You can download ebooks, photo albums, pictures on there. Look at this, guys. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Grok4 AI in this watch. Full review. We will show you those in action. Camera controls, you name it. It's in here. Breath training, stopwatches again. The flashlights you've seen, ladies, cycle tracking is in here. You got a translator, noise monitoring for your environment, and all your social media stuff is in here too. Rotating crown works to scan right through it. I know there's a lot more, and we'll cover all that for you in the longer review, but I just want you to see this puppy. Got really fun Samsung-style releasable bands on this one. You just press the button and pop them right out of here, and they're interchangeable. And of course, the design you've seen before, that's a sweet little design on this one. It is the Ultra 7 Pro. Check it out.